What's going on, guys? Drones and Dogs here. Welcome back to the channel. All right, you guys, we out here with the Wonder Chopper. Pop out for a quick fly with this guy. Feels so good just to grab some off the shelf and be able to fly some, you guys. This winter storm has been kicking our butt here lately. It really has. So it just feels good to be able to get a break in it and then pop out and then enjoy the hobby. I do got this boy in a high rate right now. This is the low rate right here. This is full pitch and a low rate. Full pitch and a low rate right there. Second rate. And third rate right here, high rate. Yeah, so I love this thing. I've had this thing for a minute, man. You've seen it on the channel plenty of times if you've been following me for a while. Got that fighter jet style frame. Even though it looks like a jet or a plane, it's actually a drone. That plus style configuration, it flies in a plus configuration. It flies pretty good. One of the better flyers that I've flown in this style. I had that sharper image one, and that thing flew like crap. I did not like the way that thing flies. That sharper image one they had, that Thunderbolt or whatever the thing it was called. I did not like the way that thing flies. But this thing flies way better compared to that. Look at it. The sun is bright off this snow, guys. This thing flies great. Pretty decent range on it too. I mean, you don't want to take it too far, but it's got the range. It's got decent range. Look at that, I'm down there. Got a car coming this way. Sun is bright. My eyes are watering. Flies great. Handling is really nice with it. Maneuvers real well. I gotta stop flying that way. I'm getting blinded. I gotta keep my back towards the sun. Wonder Chopper, you guys. Look at it, 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 look at it. I don't think we got no more flips. Do we got any flips? Yeah, we are in LVC. It's time to break it in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your boy Drones and Dogs. Thanks for watching. Deuces.